In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Typeform to your Mailchimp account. This quick and straightforward process will help you streamline your data collection by connecting these two powerful tools. Just follow along and we'll have you up and running in no time flat. Let's start by navigating to the Typeform website. Open up your preferred web browser and in the address bar type in www.typeform.com. Once you've reached the home page, you should see the login button prominently located in the top right corner. Give it a click to proceed. Now you'll need to enter your login credentials. Typeform offers flexibility here. You can use your email and password, or if you prefer, you can log in using Google, Microsoft, or another authentication service if you've set it up previously. Just enter your credentials, and when you're ready, click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, it's time to choose the specific form you'd like to connect to Mailchimp. Navigate through your dashboard to find the form that best suits your needs. Once selected, look for the Connect tab. In most cases, you'll find it right there among the options on your form's settings page. With the Connect tab open, your next move is to dive into integrations. Scroll through or simply search for Mailchimp to find the option to connect. Once you spot it, click Connect to begin the integration process. To link the two services, you'll need to authenticate. Click the Authenticate button, and this will lead you to a prompt where you're required to enter your Mailchimp username and password. It's important that you enter the correct credentials here so that the integration is seamless. After entering your Mailchimp information, look for the pop-up modal that says Authorize Typeform. This is your next step, so click Allow when prompted. This step is crucial as it grants Typeform the necessary permissions to interact with your Mailchimp account, paving the way for a successful connection. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click Save to ensure that these changes take effect and are securely stored. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you've successfully connected your Typeform with your Mailchimp account. This connection will enhance your workflow by creating an efficient pipeline for your form submissions to be automatically added to your Mailchimp lists. As you use this integration, remember to periodically check your connections and authorize any updates needed to keep things running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time.